Two Mercer students are breaking, hammering, and sanding their way into the business world.
Yeah, they're turning wood pallets into one-of-a-kind pieces of furniture. 41 NBC's Amanda Castro shares their mission to create pallets with a purpose.
We'll break down the pallets to take the wood off of one side and make like a flat tabletop on there.
In this small basement under Molly Davis's home, you'll find a lot of pallets.
A lot of people are skeptical when we tell them that we make pallet tables, but when they see pictures or start to understand what we're talking about, they're enthusiastic and they think it's great.
Davis got the idea a year ago. She needed a coffee table, so she used what she had.
And it turned out to be a really great piece. It was awesome, but I didn't think about selling it at first until one of my friends saw it, loved it, and told me to sell it online.
And with that sale, Georgia Pallet was born. Businesses donate the pallets. Davis and her partner, Andrew Eck, then spend 4 to 8 hours building each table.
Each pallet is unique and different. And they're a little warped, they're aged, and so it makes it sometimes difficult to build it, but it makes it a very cool, unique piece of furniture when it's done.
After we disassemble the pallets, we have to take all the nails out by hammering them through and then pulling them out. Taking apart the pallets is definitely the most work.
Then comes the sanding and the staining until you get a one-of-a-kind piece of furniture.
We're really enjoying it. Couldn't be funner just to do this.
We're excited that other people are interested in what we do.
But their main mission, giving these pallets that were heading to the dump a new purpose.
Taking something that was old and giving it a new life and a new reason to be there.
In the middle of your living room. In Macon, Amanda Castro, 41 NBC News.
Gosh, those two just make you wish you were that creative. Well, Georgia Pallet also sells wine racks and handmade signs. Prices range from $75 to $250. That's a steal for a coffee table. And here's some more cool news. They're building tables for the new beer garden and tap room at Macon Beer Company. To learn more, check out our website, 41NBC.com.